natin ay si Bidling the Bidling.
Bidling, lumagpas ka sa wali. Bidling the Bidling. Hindi ba kayo natutulog? Bidling araw na.
Kailangan ko magbago. May tadhana ako. City Hotter.
Number one shot in my beauty regime.
It's my one and only. May iba pa ba? It's the only one I know that can make hair reborn. Kaya naman it's the number one choice for Filipinas. Cream. The real number one in conditioning. Choice of the 3-in-1? Tamang timpla. Nescafe 3-in-1 Original. Tamang timpla ng Nescafe creamer as sugar. Sarap. Nescafe 3-in-1 Original. My choice. Mismo na kayo galing simba.
Excited na kami. Next time, kasi namin natitikman yung ito. Correct na?
Pinakasanding ko!
Hindi! The Sunday Meal Expert. Itagdag sa recipe niyo. Pareta! Mag-joy! Walang sabon na hahalo sa Sunday specialty mo. Sarap! Luto Sunday, mas enjoy, pag may joy! Calvin and his friends are back with Mischief and Fun in a brand new movie. One in your McDonald's Happy Meal. He charges. Nothing will stop him. Oh, he'll do anything to get his hands on Primo. Luscious chocolate cookies with vanilla filling. Because he's a certified Primo-holic.
5 years sensitive.